Right, here we are in Utopia of the Seas, balcony room 6650. 6 is my favorite deck. Why? It's closest to the ocean. And this cruise, I'm with my daughter, so we have the beds separated. And it's a standard balcony room. And the bathroom is your standard bathroom. It has 2 closet areas. This one has the shelves and the safe and a hanging area and 2 drawers.
Bullshit.
Okay. And the beds are separated. And here's the other closet. Excuse me. This has all the hanging. Here's your little, oh, it's a connecting. Oh, darn. So they have connecting Oceanview balconies. Look at this. The connecting door is down here at the back.
That's lame.
I never had one of these rooms
We're not
before.
in the back, we're like in the middle.
We're in the middle, but yeah, the balcony, the connecting door is in the back of the room.
The bathroom's a little bit different. A little bit bigger
And
than the old
the balcony looks, actually, it's on the hump, so you got a little bit more room here to spread out. Your mini fridge is over here. You got some more drawers. They gave us wine and champagne and some waters. There's your work area. Look at that, Blair.
What?
It gave you a gift. Welcome to Diamond.
Lame.
I don't know what you get, but oh, it's a diamond. It's a pin.
Pin. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna open it up.
It's a pin.
It doesn't show it. I gotta open it up.
It's
It's
right there.
Yeah, that's
let's
the
see.
back. Ready?
So if you're a diamond.
Here we go.
Oh, look at the new diamond. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Ooh, ah.
And that is your balcony, connecting Oceanview balcony with the little door here towards the back. So these rooms have different configurations. Some of them, the beds are closer towards the balcony. These are closer towards the door. I'd rather have them closer towards the balcony,
Same.
a little bit further from noisy people in the hallway. But that is your connecting Oceanview balcony, 6650 Utopia of the Seas.